The ultimate omni-god fusion, Gogito, has been revived, reborn, and resummoned. Tonight, in this episode, we're gonna draw Omni-God Gogito. I know that most of you don't know who Gogito is. Gogito is a fusion of Gogeta and Vegito. Two fusions of Goku and Vegeta turn into one guy. What next? First, they brought Super Saiyan Rose 3 to become a canon Super Saiyan Repidemic. Now this. Next. First they bring Super Saiyan. First they bring that. Then they debut the reveal of Grand Minister Goku. What next? Omni Instinct. Omni King Goku. Super Saiyan 5. Seriously, there are a lot of things on Dragon Ball Super we never got to see. Coming to the actual anime, like Super Saiyan 3 Raditz. I mean, that was an official one. Here's her belt. Here's his belt. Here are the God lines. And done. That's how you draw Omni-God Gogito. I hope they make this an official fusion. That'd be a real blockbuster. That'd be a real live movie that I literally want to see. Maybe we'll see a few timelines come together. I don't know how or why, but I just love it. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later.